No, his stock. I put his stocks back in the box.
Wow.
Those are stock out of the game.
Alright, yo. Well, about to go pick up the car right now, and it's currently 8:07 p.m. I just got a ride now. Thank you, Mike. Appreciate you taking me to get the car. He finished it earlier. The car's actually at his house. I know it's kind of weird, but it's my guy Rob. I trust him. It's alright. The car's on the base tune anyway, so it's not like he's gonna go crazy on it. I don't even think he would do anything like that. But the car's at his house. It's finally done. I already got a video of how it sounds like, and I'm speechless now. I don't even know what to say. It sounds fucking amazing. So right now we're on the way to his house. I know his house is right by his little shop, so we're on the way right now. About to pick up the car. I'm really excited. Yeah, this first ride. Wow.
So you want me to start it for you?
Yes, please.
Dude, it's obnoxious.
Alright, just gonna jump right to it. Here we go.
You ready?
I'm ready. Driving good, everything's good. Yeah. What do you think, Mike? Alright, well, it's on a bass tune right now. Obviously London's close to the weekend right now, so I'm gonna drive it home on this bass tune, and then I'll do the idle logs tomorrow. But oh my gosh.
You don't see any difference though. It looks just like you did when you dropped it off.
Bro, I don't even know what to say. Like. Oh man, that's so dope, man. Thank you so much, Rob. Thank you, thank you.
As always.
Oh my gosh. Now I gotta see how she drives, bro. This video is just straight up the first start of the first time you listening to it. There you guys go, man. American Racing Headers, Off-Road Expert, and Borla ATAKs. I thought it was gonna be a little more quiet, but that's not quiet. Oh my gosh. Pretty good. Can I give it some? Oh my gosh. I barely even gave it gas. I don't even know how it's gonna drive. I better not stall this freaking car, dude. Well, thank you so much, Rob. Thank you.
Yep, I'm going to get my kids.
Yes, of course, of course.
When you back out, cut it so you drop the front one wheel at a time. Otherwise you scrape.
Okay.
I'm just so used to pulling out of here with everybody's
No
low-ass
problem, no
cars.
problem. All right, sounds good.
All right.
Okay.
All right, guys. We'll see you soon.
All right, we'll see you. We'll see you. Yeah. Meet me at the crib. Oh my God.
Catalogs and then
Yeah.
get a revision maybe?
Yeah, I'm doing the idle logs and stuff tomorrow, and then
Okay.
yeah, I'm gonna do all that. I'll let you know. I'll
I
message
did
you.
have to pull the blower off to do that.
Oh, you did?
Bypass valve, or
Oh,
that, you know,
man.
the low vacuum bypass.
Hello. I thank you. Happy New Year. All right. Well, I'll message you if anything.
You gotta hear it out.
I will.
No, I heard it coming in.
All right. Oh yeah. All right, Rob. Thank you again.
Just like leaving in the cup holder or something.
Yeah, I got you, bro. Don't worry. I'll see you at the house. Oh my gosh, how am I about to drive this car? Driving my full bolt on 85 cammed GT500 out of it. Oh my. That's great. But if I do, it don't matter. Perfect. Oh my gosh. Alright, too much is going on right now, man. Too much is going on. I didn't think I was gonna pick up the car tonight. I thought I was gonna go get it tomorrow morning, but so far, she's driving pretty good. She feels normal, man. Everything feels normal. Oh my gosh. What have I done? Alright, I'm gonna drive it home. I gotta get myself situated. I'm gonna drive it home. I have a good 30-minute drive, well, 35-minute drive home, so I'll keep you guys updated with anything. If not, I'm gonna see you at the crib. This is insane, dude. Alright, we are back at home. Home sweet home. Let's see what my neighbors think now of my car. Come on, man. Get it up here, man. Get it up here. There you go. There you go. Dude, is this real life? Like, is this, are you kidding me? Oh, yo, well, there we go. Officially, full bolt on E85 cams. Are you ready?
Are you ready? I don't know if I'm ready.
I don't know if you're ready. It's not ready. Guys, this is the Jeep. You guys already know the Jeep. It's 2018 Stang in our garage.
It's a big moment.
This is a big moment.
I got like
I was
goosebumps.
very speechless, bro. As soon as I got there, first of all, I went to get it at Rob's house.
Yes, I was like, whose house are they at?
Yeah, no, yeah. Which is all good, but we went to get it at his house, and then as soon as we put up, he's like, "Are you ready here?" I'm like,
Oh
"All
my
right."
God. So what's popping? What's chopping?
What's
chopping? Bro.
Bro, that was louder. I know it was louder than what I was expecting.
I told you, bro.
Bro,
Oh my God, it was so hard.
bro, I thought it wasn't gonna chop like this. There you go. Now you can really hear it. And you can smell that E85 too.
Chopping.
Bro, this bitch is chopping, bro.
God, bro, this is crazy. Hey, now you can line up right next to each other.
Yeah, bro, both of us. Bro, we still on the bass tune and
And she is loping hard. Bro, listen to that.
How's the idol feel inside?
it feels fun. You can feel it and hear it.
The video is not doing justice.
Yeah,
like,
for real.
Yeah, your car finna.